Chidinma Ojukwu now we wan discuss today. But the reason we can say we wan discuss am not be more about his story, but about the things we say she dey do so far so good. We be say the handwriting dey for war, but you know Nigeria government dey throw face, they no wan look am. They think say maybe say you know now because maybe say money don dey involved or she don get person say dey back am up. Okay. For those of you who be say no know Chidinma Ojukwu, Chidinma Ojukwu na one 22 to 23 years old girl who be say they go university for Lagos for one 300 level student for one university like that. Who be say they come catch say she be suspect. Who be say go kill one Sperma TV. No one billionaire like that. So ever since the matter dey for Nigeria, they go call, they adjourn the matter. They don't do different witness. Don't come talk about the matter. Even the one say we see app on free cell and the gate man will be say they for the particular building. We say this thing take sub, so the time we say the thing take sub. Now come outside they talk now say you know different things. They put the matter up and down. But what I want emphasize for this video be say Chidinma a liar. And for this video I will tell you the reason we make come be say I say Chidinma a liar and the tips which I want to give now for this video. So now for now to tell know anybody who listen and get for our life, if this tip correspond with anything we say they tell una so, now no say that person, this person, so now need to run from that person. See the person a chronic liar. If person they talk truth, you ask person question, the person they talk truth, and the person go ask, he go look you straight to your eyes. He go tell you the truth. He go try to convince you. If you like, maybe say you ask him question, on the thing say they ask him question about from morning till night. Now what the person they tell you, now they tell you, and he go they look you straight to the eye. He go they try to convince you. Go try to say, sister, I don't tell you like that. Sister, believe me. Kind of, you go try a possible best. That be number one tips. Person will say they tell you truth, he go look you straight to the eyes. So far so good. Chidinma no dey look person straight to the eyes. Oh. If they follow you, they talk, you go they throw a face. You go they throw a face. You go they do some kind of mede. Secondly, when we say if person they tell you truth, you look your body language. Everybody get body language. Like the way I tell they follow you, they talk now. So sometimes they wave on like this, sometimes they check body like this, sometimes they do my head like this. All of them like body language. When they follow you, they talk. You don't understand me. They go with the realms with me. Person we say they talk like watch body language. It means say no matter if you except maybe say the person is professional, and I go see tell you the way say you fit take cash. Professional liar. Listen, body language, you feel me? So body language, if you they ask the person question like Chidinma, you see and say they scratch the back of your ear, you see and say they scratch in eye, you see and say they scratch in nose, sometimes say people go they scratch under your chair, and they know you go feel you they check it, the way they sit down, the way they turn your head and everything. Person say they talk clear, and one of the reasons we see you fit take cash and say yes, and like the life based on say that body language they give. So okay. Another thing you also want to talk again, we say person say they talk clear. If you ask person we say if they talk truth question, if you like me, you ask her that question 37 million times, and the same answer we say give you, now go they give you. If you like me, you twist the question. Make the person, make it confuse the person. As it tell you, it go over the confuse you. Say, I don't tell you yourself. Say I tell you before. Say, as you say I come the worker, they come inside house. Say I can't see the man for road. You can't turn out and say, okay. When we say, which time you take enter? Which road? I tell you say, now when they enter the road, when I can't see the man for road, now I can't see that Mr. Ogumukoro. They feel so they try. In short. They tell you the thing, and again, no matter you take twist the question, no matter you take answer the question, they repeat that same answer what they give you. Chidinma so far so good. If you ask her one question like this, if you want answer the question, go answer. If you answer the same question again, go turn her upside down. Go tell you say no, say don't talk her like that. Say no, say this thing. You go they try, you go they do the. You if you not get diplomatic enough to take cash, this kind of people once they talk like so, you quickly fall for them. It will make you look stupid. Like say maybe you know. So that's it will make you look confused. Self so far so good. Okay, did they miss words? Person will say they talk truth, or person will say talk truth, as they talk the word, man, na so it be. But person will say they talk lie, you go they miss words, you go they stammer. I say no, not be the two of us, and the three of us, now lay one, na me, come be. They feel me so they miss words. Sometimes I say if you don't really ask the question, they'll come they form say, I not to this stand, I dey feel headache. shey I felt that you know why, because they try me dey take adjourn the matter, me you take rest for the matter because you don dey tired. So then the person wey see the way dey talk like sef go dey avoid you sef. Maybe if you dey pass one road, you go dey pass another road, because if you see you go throway face because say no, maybe say you ask am question, say you don fit ask am again. So all this ones na part of the reasons wey make am be say you go need to take note for person wey dey tell you lie. And not make am say this video too long. So if you get anybody wey dey call Chidinma, well, I mean, you don't be saying that it must be exactly the same name. People like this will be say if you catch them like this, say they be thief. You catch them, say they all gone, or you catch them, say they go carry meat for pot, or they go thief meat for pot, or say they lie, say they not thief the meat for pots. Say na mistake. Now they are accident, and the meat so enter their hand. So I just may you can give my own what you say for this matter. Me not forget to subscribe until I see you for my next video. Bye bye. Hello, my people. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Hello, my people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. By the way, I forgot to wear my earring. Make I go put my earring. I'll come back. I can't give you the gist. And not say okay, gist na food. And they come back, go put my earring. And they come back. I love my earring. So more roll, more enter the gist. You know, say the gist na food things. By the way, I too low, but I'm okay. I'm good like this. The way I take balance, I go. No mind me. I use it for my apartment. Sophie, they make the video. Sophie, they make the video. Sophie, they make the video.